Hey everybody, today was day number 3, tapering for a 5K race. And what I did basically, I did 1 mile easy for like a warm up. And then I just decided I was gonna do a mile at like a tempo pace. So I got on my treadmill and I did 8.8 as a speed on there. Cause mine only goes up to 10. So I did 8 and 8. And that got me to about a 7:03 pace, in between 7 minutes and 7:10 pace per mile. Felt comfortable. I was able to get it done. And then once I got that mile done, I ended up doing a mile cool down, and that was it. So I felt the fastness on my legs to remind my legs, you know, hey, that's how you move fast. And so now tomorrow will be a rest day, and then I think Friday will be a shakeout run kind of day, a couple miles easy just before my race on Saturday. And I'm hoping, and my goal is to run 21 minutes or below. So if you run 5Ks, leave me a comment or tip of how you go out for the race. Like, is your first mile slow? Do you set a hard pace in the beginning? Do you go out way too fast and then wish you went slower? Like, what is your tips for a 5K race? I'd love to hear. But anyways, take care. God bless, and have an amazing Wednesday. Love you guys. Bye.